Hi, welcome back to my channel. So the video that I am going to be doing today is going to be my Sephora Play box, which is a $10 a month box. You do get sample sizes. You do not get full sizes, like the BoxyCharm that I've received also. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead, open the box if it will stay open. Okay, so you do get a pamphlet, and you also get $50, not $50, I wish we got $50, a 50 Beauty Insider Points card.
That you can use in Sephora.
That you can, well, of course, you can only use in Sephora. Okay, so it comes like this right here. It tells you exactly what we received in the box. So I'm going to be laying that to the side. And the bag, we do always get a bag with it. So the bag that we received is just simply called Sephora Play. It is a white bag with a red string. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and untie it. I don't know what I've got. I've not looked or anything like that. I just cut the box open. But I have not actually looked inside the bag. My son, I think, did, but yeah, I have not.
I checked what was all in there.
Okay, he also took off any kind of wrapping or anything like that. Okay, so the first thing that I pulled out is going to be Tarte Blush in the color Part A, however you want to say that. This is the Amazonian 12-hour blush. I believe I have this.
Amazonian Clay 12-hour brush in Part A.
This is
Play all day.
Okay, so I believe I may already have this. I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like.
You got the white version of it.
Okay. So I love this blush. If I have this blush already, I'm gonna have to go through my makeup drawer to see. If I already have this, then I would be doing a giveaway on this blush because I don't need two of them. Even though I really do enjoy this blush, I will do a giveaway on it if I have it. If not, then I will keep it.
It does not say how much it retails for.
Of course. Okay, so the next thing that I received is my Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng Biotin Volumizing Shampoo. Now this was a free add-on. I normally never use these. These usually probably get tossed, to be honest, because I just never use them. Because it does not have what I need for my hair, because I have very thick, very dry hair, and as you can tell, this is the natural texture and stuff of my hair, because I did take a shower this morning and didn't have time to straighten it or anything like that, and this is what it turned out like. So I don't know if I'll use this or not, to be completely honest. I probably might just toss it. The next thing that I received is going to be Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer, which is just because I love rubber bands. It smells really good, and if you can tell, it does have some specks in there. That's nice. Since I already had some spills on my hands, we'll just go ahead and...
It's called Pharmacy. I was looking for it.
Just put that back on
that's
there.
what that was.
It's a moisturizer. Really, I've never heard of this brand. Oh, I pronounced it wrong. My bad. It is I don't know, but there's how you say it. I'm really excited to use these. The next thing that we received is going. Go. Well, I'm supposed to have my Caudalie essence. It might be in the bag. Here it is. Here it is. So this is a Caudalie essence. It's a concentrated brightening essence. So it is this right here. I'm very excited to use that. It's very small. As you can see,
That's a cleanser.
you can tell. Okay, you're gonna have to move. Okay, so the next thing that I did receive is the Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask by Ren. I have never heard of this company before, and it is supposed to, you're supposed to use this 3 times a week or anytime your skin is in need of urgent rescue. It does say apply a generous amount onto clean skin, avoiding the eye area, leave on 10 to 15 minutes, gently remove any excess with a cool damp cloth or cotton pad. So I'll give this a try and see what it looks like, because my skin desperately is in need of something like that. Then the next thing that we got, I was really excited about, is the the Bite Agave Lip Mask.
By Bite Beauty.
Okay. I really am excited to test this out. I have been wanting to try this. I just have not purchased the full size amount myself. But however, I will go ahead and do so once I run out of this, if I do like it. And that is all I received in my Sephora Play Box. I'm really excited about these products, even though they're like the small size. I'm totally fine with that. But I'm really excited, especially about the skin products. It seems like it was more focused on skincare, this box, than it is the makeup, and I'm totally okay with that. Because I really did need some of this to try out, and I'm always good for moisturizers. I have like a bunch of these that I really need to use. Now this one, this probably only has, honestly, maybe 2 or 3 times to use it. I'm not sure how much it costs or anything like that. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand. So I will go ahead and use these products, and I will let you know how I like them. If you like this video, please subscribe. I hope that you all have a great day.